We are officially in, man. I'm feeling good. How you feel, Bo? Yeah, dude, I was thinking the same thing. My boy.
Charge my energy, I no get time for no enemy. Torí pé wọlé tó mi. Nothing wey person never see, I'm on nothing wey person never see. Forget it, I say fashi. Money soon expected. Take our body, I jump. I take her to the person.
We are live, you feel me? Hollywood Studios first park. Let's get it. So this is it. We're officially in Hollywood Studios. First park of the whole trip. We're here for 4 days, 4 parks, 4 separate, 1 park a day. You know, she got to get the Instagram popping. You feel me? The story's got to be right. The pictures got to be nice. You know. First plans, we got Tower of Terror. I haven't done that since I was a jit, like a little kid. But no, I'm lying. I haven't done that since they took it away from Disneyland. So that was probably what, like a few years ago, a handful of years ago. Anyways. Hollywood Studios, Tower of Terror, we gotta do Slinky Dog Dash. So must-dos, let me get the must-dos. Slinky Dog Dash, Hollywood Tower of Terror, Indiana Jones Stunt Show, we got a Fast Pass for that. Rock and Roller Coaster, we got a Fast Pass for that. And Muppet Vision, one of my favorites of all time. We gotta do Muppet Vision. We gotta do Muppet Vision. Got a Fast Pass for that as well. So jam-packed day, we got a whole bunch of plans, you feel me? So let's get it, I'm ready, you ready? Doesn't matter because I'm ready anyway, so let's go.
I got my cup up to the heavens. Another night I won't remember. I promise this my move forever. I promise this my move forever, ever. Girls is dancing on the bezel. This kind of feeling unforgettable. Promise this my move forever. Promise this my move forever, forever and ever.
You heard that?
Forever and ever.
How's the sound of the price going up?
Forever and never ever and never ever at the Saxon.
The main event. Dun, dun, dun. It's super zoomed in. Wait. Ah! I didn't even get that. I was zooming in.
Again?
I got you now. Okay, do it again. Take 2.
Dun, dun, dun.
Says what? To Disneyland?
On Disneyland. I'm
Ooh, you hear that? All the Disney people?
You can't say
Ooh. She said Hollywood Studios on Disneyland. And I agree. So we don't know if this is purposeful or not. I'm assuming it is, man. This Disney, they always throw Easter eggs out there. That sign behind us says Paradise Pier. And it's like a postcard from Paradise Pier. And we're in Hollywood Studios. So it's like a little reference to DCA's Hollywood themed area. So that's dope. Come on, y'all, look. We at Edna's secret lab. Come here, let me show you. This is the secret fashion lab. Edna Mode herself is here. We're not gonna meet her, but I'm VIP, so I got the code. Let me put it in real quick. Let me show you. Step 1. Step 2. Gotta get it real close for this one. You have to get the retina. Your retina, right here, you gotta line it up right in the center. Step 3, and we're in just like that.
Wow.
Bro, the freaking green army men just walked by, and I feel like I'm in a movie. Is it? I'm Andy. I'm the Black Andy. It's official. The Black Andy. I got a little white in me though. I'm black and white if you didn't know. So I'm Andy, y'all.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends we take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored then only said the road and me go on with the road.
Even the trash cans are cute as heck. These freaking Lego block trash cans hit different in the sunlight. Oh! Me and Dre were talking about how cute the restrooms are. She's like in love with these things. These are literally the cutest restroom, the cutest. These are literally the cutest restrooms I've ever seen though, honestly. Like, they killed the theme and like, I don't have to go pee, but I kind of wish I did just so I can go run in the bathroom. I was about to say play, that don't sound right. Just so I can go in the bathroom. So peace out to Toy Story Land. We're done with that. But our duo just became a trio because you know who's in town. You know, the man, the myth. The
You
Disney
guys
hype
are in
beast.
town. You guys are
Well,
in
I mean,
my town.
You're right. We're in your town. You're right. My bad.
Flashback.
Wait, Mom, what do you mean I'm grounded?
Oh, snap. Oh, shoot. Bro, you good, bro? You good?
I'm good.
End of flashback.
We're not really hyped about Launch Bay. About Galaxy's Edge. We're not really that hyped about it because we got it back home. We just want to see the differences because this one's supposed to be way more spacey. And I guess the color coding is different. So I don't know. We'll see.
It's like the same exact thing, right?
It's literally the same exact thing. It definitely does feel more roomy though. Like we just stepped foot in here. Yeah, it's just way more open. Look at all that space. Dude. So it's literally the same exact thing. There's no differences besides it being way more spacey, except for this entrance. In Disneyland, this would be the entrance to the land, whereas to where we just came in, that's just all trees and like a wall. But in Walt Disney World, our entrance is gone. It's just a wall. The gate is closed. It's not open. Yeah, that's the main difference. Rice is showing me a little cool room, a little Disney Hype Beast secret. This is literally like a freak. This is so random, bro.
It's random, but
Does this have to do with one of the movies,
It's
maybe?
because it's like part of
I
like
have no
the
idea.
Italian wedding. I don't know.
There's a disco ball in here? What the heck? There's a hula hoops?
There's a hula.
A hula hoop? There's a hula hoop?
I messed it up.
Your turn, babe.
It's like the weirdest room
This
ever.
is so weird. Like, what is going on right now? I don't even know if I can hula hoop anymore, but...
You have it longer.
Oh, get up, get up. Ah!
2 hours later.
This is #1 champion sound. Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Set up a motor, we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick you with you.
6 hours later.
It's what?
Chai.
What is this concoction?
It's a chai tea latte.
She wants me to try this chai tea, and I don't like coffee. I don't want to drink it, but I will. Try to love her. Honestly,
Bomb, huh?
look, I'm not gonna lie. It tastes like gingerbread, low key,
It's
or like
bomb. You
something like
like
that,
it.
like a cookie. You get a little more. I don't even drink coffee, y'all, but. Trash. No, I'm kidding.
It's bomb though, right?
No, it's good, yeah.
The next morning.
Animal Kingdom, we here, baby. This is the most. Oh, I can't even speak. I'm hella excited. This is the park I'm excited for the most, no doubt. So let's get it.
The giraffes.
Yeah. Baby, oh, I'm not much of a talker. Baby, oh, can I drink from your water? Baby. She says she really grew up boy like me. Don't believe in nothing but the Almighty. Just a little jeans and a pure whitey. She never dream forever be nobody wifey. Yeah. She well, I mean a pretty but your heart is a miss. Play you like a villain cause she caught in a way. Tonight I am walking away. 9 to 5 mine and a grind, yeah. Tonight I might fall in love. Depending on how you hold me.